Hi, my name is Paul Grotas and I'm an immigration attorney. I run an immigration firm that's located in New York City, and I can handle any kind of immigration case, but the type of cases that I prefer are very complex cases where there's a lot of moving parts and someone may be deported very quickly. I often get calls in the middle of the night where I have to rush to the airport and there's a mere minutes to act, and if I don't act, someone will be deported. I believe that I've been put on this earth to handle these kinds of cases. Now, throughout the course of these videos, I want to just reassure you, or I want you to know if you should be worried and you should take legal action and hire an attorney. Because my goal is for you to grow old with your family, to raise your children, and to be able to raise your grandchildren. So when choosing an immigration lawyer, there are 5 things that you need to focus on. The first thing is this person who I'm talking to actually a lawyer? Unfortunately, immigrants are preyed upon by fake lawyers who have no legal degrees and no knowledge about immigration law. So the first thing you should really do is make sure that the person you're talking to is a lawyer, and you can do that by looking at a directory of attorneys in your state. Now, the second thing that you should do is ask that attorney who will be the one working on my case. I look to work on all my clients' cases personally, just to make sure that everything goes correctly. But a lot of other attorneys, you meet them for the first time, and then another attorney will work on your case. The third thing that you should focus on or ask the attorney is what kinds of cases does that attorney work on? I only do immigration law because it's very complex and it's what I love to do. The fourth thing that you should focus on is how long is my case going to take? Unfortunately, the immigration system is backed up, and some cases take a very long time, and you need to know that ahead of time. The fifth thing that you should focus on is how often should I receive updates about my case and who will be the one giving them to me. This way, you specifically know the person who you can contact to get information whenever you need it about your case.